Hello everyone, welcome to Foshan Landpack machinery. My name is Jennifer. Are you looking for the multiple case packing machine? Today I want to introduce to you our multiple case and candy packing machine. It could help you to measure 5 to 10 bags smaller case into this pouch. The machine is suitable for the stand-up pouch bag with the zip knob and also for the Premade pouch bag. It's very easy for you to operate. We provide this machine solution for our customer in Vietnam. They also use this machine to pack their multiple case into the stand-up pouch bag, neither 5 pieces or 10 pieces. This machine solution consists of the transport conveyor and multi-hand conveyor and Rotary Doypack machine and also the collecting platform. This machine could run the 30 to 32 bags per minute. It will help our customer to improve the daily production. And our customer also very satisfied with this machine solution. Okay, let me to introduce this machine one by one in detail for you. Okay, this multi-hand conveyor is controlled by this touch screen, so you could adjust neither 10 pieces or 12 pieces on this touch screen. You could adjust it, and if this machine speed, you could adjust it by this touch screen. Like this way, my running speed is 32 bags per minute. And you also could adjust the bag width and bag length on this touch screen. It's very easy for the worker to operate this machine. So the worker just needs to put the empty pouch on this bag station, and then the machine will pick up the pouch one by one to each station. Neither this stay printer to print the production code on the bag, and then there is the opener to open the pouch to filling the pouch into the bag. Okay, this is the filling hopper. The smaller case will be output from here and then throw down into the pouch. And this is the vibration plate. It will vibrating and shake the case in the bottom of the pouch. There is a two pusher. It will push the case into the bag well. And there is a sensor. It will identify if no case, no sealing. And then the bag will go to the next station to let the air out and then sealing. And after the bag is sealing well, the conveyor will be transported to the collecting platform. So the worker just needs to pick up the pouch. Okay, let us check this machine how to work. Okay, for this case packing machine, I believe you have learned more details. If you have any questions on this case packing machine, you could contact us by follow link, and our sales managers will provide you the right machine model to support your business. Bye! See you!